Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all feeling good and well today. Today's video is a clean with me as the house needed putting back together after a busy weekend and I had laundry and all sorts to catch up on. So let's get into it. Get yourself comfy, grab a drink or clean along with me and let's just get bits done. Started off in my bedroom making the bed so it starts me off on the right foot for the day. Then I also hoovered in here. It was time to tackle my mountain of washing. So I started off with sorting out all of the socks. I've been meaning to sort through these socks for a while. I just kind of let this pile of white socks build up, so I'm just organizing them into different categories. We are a family of 8, so there are plenty of different size feet in this house, so I'm always trying to organize out different socks. Let me know if you have any sock sorting tips for me, because I haven't found a perfect system for socks yet. Now, piles of washing to tackle, I just do the same thing, organise into different piles for who they belong to in the house, and then I fold them and take them to each room. You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. So this video is actually filmed over 2 days. Being a busy mum of 6, it can be impossible to have huge cleaning days all of the time. I'm just trying to tackle bits here and there when I can, like we all do. So don't feel guilty if you see big cleaning videos on YouTube and feel like you never have the time to do that, because sometimes you just got to do what you can when you can. I guess I can't help myself. Would you Then I decided to go through my swimwear and see if there was anything I didn't like or that didn't fit me anymore to get rid of before I put them back away at the top of my wardrobe. We had recently been on holiday, so I had swimwear to put away, so just decided to go through it, but it turned out I didn't actually find anything worth getting rid of or that I didn't think didn't fit me anymore. I have been having these mini declutters quite a lot lately as I go along, just to stop the overwhelming feeling of having too much in the house and just trying to keep on top of the clutter we have in our house. So I've been loving doing that, and don't mind the Zara parcel just chilling behind the pillow. That was a package I needed to try on. Now I am in the twins room, which as you can see needed a good sort out. There were beds to be made, clothes to put away and just things thrown everywhere. If you are not a newbie to my channel, you may see that we have had a little bit of a facelift in their room. There is just a couple more things I want to add before this room is finished. I did film a whole makeover video on it, but as it was filmed a while ago, I just haven't done anything with the footage. Typical me, always starting videos and never getting them out to you, but I am going to try and be better. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking Decided to clean out our baby changing bag, and my god did it need it. There was snacks and god knows at the bottom of here. I mean, look, there was just a blueberry pancake chilling at the bottom and crumbs were going everywhere. Just an accumulation of crap really. So I wanted to give it a sort out and just make sure I had all the things in there needed for when I next use it. Watching this footage back has just reminded me, do you remember when what was in my changing bag or what is in my bag was like a YouTube video thing? I mean, I don't know if it still is. I haven't watched one in a long time, and I don't think I've seen anyone that I regularly follow do one of those videos for a long time, but I remember that they used to be all the rave on YouTube a good few years ago. apologies. a washing load done, so I'm just getting it hung up outside whilst it's nice and dry. This is my favourite thing about summer, getting the washing put out outside. I mean, maybe not my favourite thing, that was a bit of an over exaggeration, but I do love having the washing outside, especially when we have so much washing all of the time. Then I just did a quick hoover up in the girls' room. Now we are on to the next day, and I am just starting to clean up in the kitchen. So I'm just emptying the table at the moment so I can give it a good wipe down. As you can see, I've got Firefly laying on in the kitchen, so I was just watching that as I did my cleaning, so it just made the cleaning not so monotonous.
You've been giving me time. Oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts.
Popping the shoes and the garden shoes away, which live in this basket by the back door. It keeps them nice and tidy, and it's easy for the kids to grab when they are in and out of the garden this summer.
Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off
Time to empty out and refill the dishwasher, also clear the sides and wipe them down.
old thoughts be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
Quick surface clean of the cooker. I will admit that this cooker is in need of a deep, serious clean, but I didn't have the time for that today, so I'm not sure when I'm going to quite get round to that, but it is on my to-do list. I really need to give this a good clean down.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound.
Take your fucking slowly and your weak.
Just using some pink stuff now to give our sink a little bit of a clean and just get rid of any of the nastiness that is still in the sink.
What if you're no good for me? Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we do it.
Then I needed to give the fridge a good clean down to get ready for our food shop. This food shop for this week, I have set myself with a pantry challenge, and I went through all of the foods that we already have in the cupboards to see what meals I could make out of bits we already have in the house, so we could save a bit of money on our food shop really and just use up things that we already have. And I wanted the fridge to all be fresh and lovely for when the food shopping does come. I am planning on doing a food shopping video, fingers crossed, so please do subscribe if you like that content. I know it has been requested quite a lot to do some more food shopping hauls, so that is the plan hopefully, and it should include our meal plan for the week. But I started off by emptying the fridge, then I took out all of the shelves to wash and clean down properly, and I gave the inside and outside of the fridge a wipe down. I'm also just checking all of the dates of the food before they go back into the fridge. Washing the fridge containers and shelves just with some Fairy liquid and just soapy water. popping the fridge shelves back in, and it actually took longer than what you see on this video because I couldn't remember which bit went where. So it took a bit of it was a bit like a puzzle piece to try and get everything back in, but here is the fridge ready, all reset and feeling clean, ready for our food shop to come. And then I also started to put back in the food and also our fridge containers ready to be filled.
Fell asleep, there's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
Then on my decluttering mission, I decided to sort through this drawer here, which holds miscellaneous kitchen items, just like the cheese grater, cookie cutters, cling film, etc. So I just wanted to get rid of any crumbs or food that may have fallen in here and just see if we needed all of the bits that were still in here. I did end up getting rid of a few items, so that did feel really good. Then the last little area I'm going to clean today is just our bath. So the kids have been absolutely loving their baths lately, so I just wanted to give it a good wipe down, get rid of some of the products that were just chilling on the side there and put them away, and yeah, give it a little clean. I love, love, love this Sephora Power Bathroom. I've forgotten the scent, but it smells absolutely incredible.
Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the
And that is going to bring me to the end of this Clean With Me video. I really, really hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and cleaning along with me. Thank you so much. I just feel so grateful that you are here watching this, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Bye!
should let you know.